Who's that? What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Man, you just don't want to touch him, but you're like, oh. It's you. It's you. Get off the couch. Bacon, off the couch. Bacon, get off the couch. Bacon, get off the couch. Get off.
Someone lost their kitty. Can I pet you? You look sweet. Yeah, you sweet baby. You're a good baby. See, not too bad. Huh? Oh, I better watch.
什么？这是什么吗？
Who said? Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Steven, it is 1:03 a.m. Please don't do this. This is not the time, sir. Boo. No, nothing? You're scaring me.
Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went.
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time! Y'all are so snoozy!
Coconut, get away from me. Do not do this. Don't do it. Aww.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Start with me today. From 1 to 10. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got beanie. Number 2, we got heat. Number 3, we got it. Number 4, we got beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got cheat.
Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my cat. Why does he look like that? What is wrong?
What did you just say?
Swim, don't kill. Yeah, she wants to swim, Jerry. Kill her, Jerry! Kill her! Kill her now! Murder! Oh, yeah, good boy! Good boy, Jerry! Yes! In the water below. Tycho farted. Ew. Tycho, you don't even care. Oh, he's crying. Tycho, I was kidding. Don't cry. I was kidding. Hey, you two need no each other. See, look what you're gonna do. Look, you two need to stop fighting each other. Get out of here. How the fuck did you get in here? That's one fat guinea pig.
Don't sidekick him in the butt. That's rude. Fox manners. God, where are they? Not present. Get him. There he goes. No, go on the couch. Come out of the couch. Will you get out of there? Callie, get him out of the couch. Lance. There he is. It's a fox head. Hi, baby. I love my fox face. It comes out of the couch every now and then to say hi. How do you fit in there? How do you fit your big old noggin in there? Holy cow, you just barely... Don't you get me. I want to look around. Don't you come get me. Hey, look here, you. I see you. You're like whack-a-mole, but whack-a-fox. 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 Oh, missed him. Excuse me, sir. Ring the doorbell. Hello. Lance, where'd you go? Hi. I see your fox face. Come here. Cutie. Hey.
Okay, Miso, in the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. You are a Christian now. It's the holy water. Holy water. Holy water. You are a Christian now. That's it. What the fuck?
What happened right there? Skater bat. What was it? A skater bat. A skater bat? Did it hurt? Yep. You have a friend? Yeah? Who's down there? Hello. Who is that?
You know what this means.
Bailey, like to give him the chicken nugget or skip to make him sad? Did you like it?
Down. Thanks for the help.
Got me in the leg, Papa. Yeah. You ready? You coming to the beach? Okay. Keep up. You're really coming, huh? Come on then.
I got this thing to clean my computer and basically it just blows air. Now I want to see how my dog is gonna react to it.
Oh my god. Oh, what a good. Oh, there's two. Oh my god! Ah!
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to.
Come here. You speak? Speak. Speak. There's a good boy. Come on, sit down. Lay down. Come on, crawl, buddy, crawl. Come on, buddy, come on. Okay, come here. Spin. Sit. Stay. Trustful. Oh, that's a good boy. Come here. Oh,
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
Luna. Poison. Safe. Safe.
I want it, I bought it. 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 My wife, she's pissed.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He like
So I went to the store to get some cheese earlier, but I didn't know what kind of cheese to get. I mean, they had all kinds of cheese. They had Swiss cheese, American cheese, Gouda cheese, cheddar cheese. And I was like, there's so much cheese. What cheese should I get?
Good morning, my feathered friends. Good morning, my Pepe. Good morning. How are you, Pepe? Go fly. Good morning, Lola. Good morning, Mommy. Go fly, Lola. Good morning, Priscilla. How are you, Priscilla? Step up. Come on. Good girl. Fly. Good girl, Priscilla. Good morning, Caroline. My sweet Caroline. Good morning, Amore. Come on, Mommy. Come on. Come on, little girl. Vente, Mommy. Vente. Come on. Good girl, Amore. Say hello, everybody. Say hello. Say top of the morning.
Oh, hello, Stewie. Out and about eating your apple. Is it delicious? I'm so glad you're out. You look beautiful. You look very pretty, baby girls. You look so pretty. Your belly's getting big. Look at you. Definitely getting cold though.
What the fuck did I just do? Hello. Hello. Oh,
Milo, so the neighbors called and their cat Lucy is pregnant.
¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche cochina. No es cierto, baby girl. I know it's not you.
I don't really care about what they say. I'ma come back like a boomerang.
Can I get an hour? I ain't
Okay.
You gonna climb it? Do you want to climb the tree? Whoa, we discovered a new trick. Up and down he goes. Climbing down the tree. Good job, Uno. What's up? You don't like my mask?